This is the worst part right here, but we're gonna have to fake it some other way or another. Some way or another, something like that. But as you can see, man, we're cooking with gas. We got that one there. I'm calling that good. I'm not gonna weld back in there because that's just gonna get a dab of filler. That's a little spot up front can be okay too, I think. I've got to come back and hit that right there. Metal was, I guess I ground a little too much there. The metal was thin. I started to blow out, so I skipped that spot. But you can see, man, everything lines up good. It looks good. Already tapped that down. I don't know if you can tell, but just tap down a little bit right on that seam so I can just skim coat it and move on. Look at that. Actually lines up pretty darn good. Once I get it floated, we're on. I got one more spot to weld on the back side right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not even looking at it. Camera right back in there. Oh, got two more spots. Because I got this. This is where that big gap was. And you can see it. There's basically a little doubler behind it. I'll just tack it to that doubler. It'll be okay. See the doubler? Yep. All right, cool deal. So, man, almost ready for body work. Unbelievable. That was quick. This is day 3. Day 3 is weld and grind. All the cutting and fitting is over, man. I'm happy for that. Okay, we started grinding. It's looking pretty good. It's gonna need to be skin coated, that's for sure. Are on there and they look penetrated good. I think we're in business. We have a new roof. Okay, I'm finishing up here. Day 3. Okay, we're all welded. I'm skim coating. I did one shot of the fiberglass, short strand fiberglass filler, and then this is just a skim coat. It may need another shot after this, may not. That's just the fiberglass short strand there. So this is it. I'm calling it a night. This side here, I haven't done anything on the inside yet, so I was gonna just get the outside dialed in first and then move to the inside. The inside's gonna be a little bit more forgivable. And then up here, I'm still deciding what I'm gonna do. I'll probably just kiss it with some short strand and then paint it. So that's it, day 3.